Learn a new English word every day. Hello, friends. Welcome back to English with Sophia. Today, we're going to talk about a fantastic way to improve your English: learning a new word every day. This simple habit can help you grow your vocabulary and feel more confident when speaking English. Let's dive in. Why learn a new word every day? Learning a new word each day is a great idea for many reasons. 1. It's easy. You only need to learn one word, which doesn't take much time. 2. It adds up. After a month, you'll know 30 new words. After a year, 365 new words. 3. It improves your English. More words help you understand and speak better. 4. It's fun. Learning new words can be like solving puzzles. 5. It helps with reading. You'll understand more when you read English texts. How to choose a new word. Picking a new word to learn each day is easy. Here are some ways to do it. 1. Use a word-a-day calendar or app. 2. Open a dictionary and choose a random word. 3. Pick a word from something you read or heard in English. 4. Choose words about topics you like: food, sports, music, etc. 5. Ask a teacher or English-speaking friend for a new word. Remember, try to choose words that are useful for your level and interests. Steps to learn a new word. Learning a new word is more than just knowing what it means. Follow these steps to really learn your new word. 1. Write it down. Write the word in a notebook or on your phone. This helps you remember it better. 2. Learn the meaning. Look up the word in a dictionary. Try to understand what it means in your own language. 3. Learn how to say it. Listen to how the word is pronounced. Practice saying it out loud several times. 4. Use it in a sentence. Write a simple sentence using the new word. This helps you understand how to use it. 5. Draw a picture or find an image. If possible, draw a simple picture of what the word means. Or find a picture online that shows the word's meaning. 6. Learn related words. Look for words that mean the same thing, synonyms. Look for words that mean the opposite, antonyms. 7. Review. Look at your new word again later in the day. Try to remember its meaning without looking it up. Example: learning the word. Delicious. Let's practice these steps with the word delicious. 1. Write it down, delicious. 2. Learn the meaning. It means something tastes very good. In simple English, very yummy or very tasty. 3. Learn how to say it. It sounds like delicious. Practice saying it. This pizza is delicious. 4. Use it in a sentence. The chocolate cake was delicious. I love eating delicious fruits in summer. 5. Draw or find an image. You could draw a smiley face eating something. Or find a picture of tasty food online. 6. Related words. Synonyms: tasty, yummy, scrumptious. Antonyms: disgusting, awful, unpleasant. 7. Review. Later ask yourself, what does delicious mean? Try to remember without looking at your notes. Tips for learning a new word every day. Here are some helpful tips to make learning a new word each day easier and more fun. Under time. Choose a time each day to learn your new word. For example, during breakfast or before bed. 2. Use sticky notes. Write your new word on a sticky note. Put it somewhere you'll see it often, like your mirror or desk. 3. Tell someone about your new word. Share what you learned with a friend or family member. Teaching others helps you remember better. 4. Use your new word. Try to use your new word in conversation or writing. The more you use it, the better you'll remember it. Make it a game. Challenge a friend to learn the same word. See who can use it in a sentence first. 6. Use technology. Set a daily reminder on your phone to learn a new word. Use vocabulary apps that send you a new word each day. 7. Keep a word journal. Write all your new words in a special notebook. Review your journal regularly to remember the words. 8. Learn words in themes. Each week, choose words about a specific topic. For example, one week could be about food, another about weather. Fun ways to practice your new words. Learning words is great, but using them is even better. Try these fun activities to practice. 1. Word of the Day Challenge. Use your new word at least 3 times during the day. Give yourself a point each time you use it correctly. 2. Story writing. At the end of each week, write a short story using all the new words you learned. It can be silly or funny. The important thing is to use the words. 3. Picture dictionary. Draw a picture for each new word you learn. After a month, you'll have your own picture dictionary. 4. Word association game. When you learn a new word, write down 3 other words you think of. For example, if the word is sunny, you might think of hot, beach, and summer. 5. Rhyme time. Try to think of words that rhyme with your new word. This helps you remember the pronunciation. 6. Crossword puzzles. Make a simple crossword puzzle using your new words. Ask a friend to solve it. 7. Word chain. Start with your new word and make a chain of words. Each new word starts with the last letter of the previous word. Example: delicious, sweet, tasty, yummy. 8. Conversation practice. Have a short conversation with a friend or language partner. Try to use your new word naturally in the conversation. Overcoming challenges. Sometimes learning a new word every day can be challenging. Here are some common problems and how to solve them. 1. Problem: forgetting to learn a word. Solution: set a daily reminder on your phone or put a note somewhere you'll see it. 2. Problem: not having time. Solution: combine word learning with another daily activity, like brushing your teeth or eating breakfast. 3. Problem: finding it boring. Solution: try different methods like apps or games to make it more fun. 4. Problem: forgetting words you've learned. Solution: review your words regularly, maybe once a week or at the end of each month. 5. Problem: difficulty using words in conversation. Solution: start by using the words in writing, then slowly try to use them when speaking. 6. Problem: feeling overwhelmed. Solution: remember, it's just one word a day. If you miss a day, don't worry. Just start again tomorrow. Tracking your progress. Seeing your progress can be very motivating. Here are some ways to track how many words you're learning. 1. Use a calendar. Write your new word on each day of a calendar. At the end of the month, you can see all the words you learned. 2. Make a word jar. Write each new word on a small piece of paper. Put the paper in a jar or box. Watch your jar fill up over time. 3. Create a word wall. Write each new word on a sticky note. Stick the notes on a wall in your room. Soon you'll have a wall full of English words. 4. Use a habit tracking app. Many free apps let you track daily habits. Mark each day you learn a new word. 5. Keep a word count. Write a number next to each word you learn. Watch the numbers grow bigger each day. Conclusion: learning a new English word every day is a simple but powerful way to improve your language skills. It doesn't take much time, but it can make a big difference in your vocabulary and confidence. Remember, 1. Choose words that are interesting and useful to you. 2. Follow the steps to really learn each word. 3. Try to use your new words in sentences and conversations. 4. Make it fun with games and activities. 5. Don't worry if you miss a day. Just keep going. Every new word you learn is a step towards better English. Be proud of yourself for making this effort to improve your language skills. Now it's your turn. What new English word will you learn today? Start now, and soon you'll be amazed at how many new words you know. Thank you for learning with English with Sophia. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing your English vocabulary. See you in the next lesson.